Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Tech Tip Nest. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to lock Snapchat using your Face ID, Fingerprint, or other security options on your device. This is perfect if you want to keep your Snapchat private and secure. Let's get started. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't have a built-in app lock feature like Face ID. But don't worry, you can still lock Snapchat using third-party app lockers. Here's how to do it. First, go to the Google Play Store and search for an app like AppLock or Norton App Lock. Download and install the app. Open the app locker and set up your preferred lock method, such as Face ID, Fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. After setting up your security, find Snapchat in the list of apps and toggle the switch to lock it. Now, every time you or someone else opens Snapchat, the app locker will prompt for a Face ID, Fingerprint, PIN, or pattern before opening. Depending on the app locker, you can customize how and when the lock activates. For example, you can set it to lock Snapchat immediately after closing it, or after a certain amount of inactivity. And that's it. With Snapchat now locked behind a Face ID, Fingerprint, or PIN, you can rest easy knowing your snaps are secure. If this guide helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.